There are a few, like, they're like light years away. I don't think there's like, I think there's just one in our solar system. Oh, and let me talk about this rare planet. We have this, I forgot its name because they make their names so weird, like TJ811 and something like that. Anyways, this planet is so weird. It has like about 10 rings. 10 rings. And I do not know why. And for some reason it has enough gravity. It isn't even that big. It's not even like, it's like the size of Saturn. But it can hold that much rings. I don't know why. I just wanted to talk about that. Now, here are what I'll say, cool stuff. Radical cool. We have, dang it. We have this thing called the Quasar star. This star is so big. This star is so big that if you put it in our solar system.
Did they call it what?
The Quasar star. I don't think it's. They said it's theoretical. It's a theory. It's not actually real. It's not actually real. It's like theoretical, metaphorical, or whatever. And it's really big. Like, so big that I already said this, but let me say it again. This thing could eat our solar system 3 times in a row with just it. Like, it's bigger than our solar system 3 times in a row. Imagine that.
Where is it?
I don't know. They said it's theoretical.
Yeah, I know, but why are they coming up with that theory?
Because they said that it was a thing before, but they've all either collapsed and turned into black holes, or they're all turned into white dwarfs.
And they think it can regenerate or something, or activate, or whatever.
Yes, but here's the weird thing about it. You can see that it's like giving off some spores or something like that.
Wow.
And why? Because there's a black hole already inside of that Quasar star that's eating it slowly and surely to the point that that might be even what happened to Ton 218.
What?
Ton 218.
Wow.
It's the biggest black hole.
Wahala.
Well, I'm just gonna call it.
How do you remember all these names?
I'm just gonna call it Ton.
I mean,
because it is the biggest black hole, and I think it was once a Quasar star, and it actually swallowed the star completely. And some of these.
Let me ask you a question. Because I know you can talk from now to tomorrow, and it's going to be different craziness I don't know anything about. If you have the opportunity to be talking to an expert in this field, what would you say to them? What would you ask them? And would you even listen to them? Because of course they'll know more than you.
I know. But I would ask them, what are some other theoretical things? Like, what if a black hole collides with a white hole?
Okay.
But you don't know what a white hole is. So let's see.
If a black hole collides with a white hole, I think we turn into Oreo cookies.
A white hole
we turn into Oreo cookies.
So this white hole, so black holes have this thing called the singularity, where it is basically an end to the black hole.
Hold on. I feel like I need to go throw away my PhD. Seriously?
Okay.
I need to go throw away my PhD.
Okay. So black holes have this thing called the singularity.
Okay.
White hole, it is not real, but it's theoretical. It is a theoretical thing. Theoretical. That's what I'm saying. A white hole is basically an opposite of a black hole. Where
Obviously.
Hold on. I need to get it. Say it again. Black hole is...
A white hole is the opposite of a black hole.
Okay. And black hole is what?
And a black hole is the thing that sucks it up. Sucks a organism or whatever with such immense force that it cannot escape.
Damn.
And now,
Who you been listening to? Have
Me.
you been listening to that? I think what's his name?
I've been listening to
DeGrasso?
Einstein.
Do you know this guy DeGrasso? Something like that. That's his name. Something like that. He's an expert in this field. DeGrasso.
nah.
He talks like you. You talk like him.
Anyways, it has white holes.
I'm
It's
gonna go look for
theoretical,
him. I'm
so-
gonna go look for him on YouTube to play him for you so you
Okay.
can listen to
Okay.
him.
But it's
He's talking
theoretical.
like you.
It's theoretical.
I mean, you're talking like him.
It's theoretical. So, just if you get confused, you can ask me because it is very hard to understand.
Okay.
So the singularity is basically an end or a point to a black hole. It's like a hole. It's like a hole in the ground, and you
I wish
know
I
how.
was videoing
And you know how. If you drop a ball into like a hole, then it'll start like spiraling around or start going to the hole. That's what a black hole is.
Okay.
A white hole, let's say if it won't let any matter get in.
Okay.
So the singularity will keep on getting longer and longer and longer and longer. And we will get on our trip all the way to try to get, like, if you wanted to get into a white hole, you will try to get to the singularity, and it has gravity, but to land on it, it'll just get farther and farther, and the singularity to